Hello rail fans and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today we're going to be building another Thomas & Friends character here, and we're going to be building Diesel 10 here. And he has this big pinchy arm on top here, and this is what he looks like. So let's get right into the build. So to start off here, we're going to take yellow terracotta, and we're going to put 5 of them coming across the tracks. On either side of the front, we're going to put a stone button. Then on the next layer up, we're going to go red concrete, a sticky piston, red concrete, a sticky piston, red concrete. Then close a dark oak trapdoor on each piston and put a sideways dark oak fence gate in the middle. Come behind it, put a lever in the middle and open it so the pistons open up. On the bottom back here, we're going to put 5 upside down oak stairs, and then 2 yellow terracotta on either side of the top. Then an oak stair on either side of the top upside down so it looks like this. Then we're going to come on the next block behind this, on the bottom, and we're going to put a set of netherite wheels with an end rod axle. Then take out deep slate tile stairs, and we're going to put 5 of them coming across facing this way. Then 5 deep slate tile slabs. Then we'll turn around and do 5 deep slate tile stairs facing this way. Then behind that, we'll do another set of netherite wheels with an end rod axle. Then open dark oak fence gates into the ends of the wheels here and down at this end. Then we're going to put a hopper on the side of all 4 wheels here. And then we'll take out polished blackstone block, and we're going to fill this top middle 3 with polished blackstone. And we'll bring it across this truck until it's above these fence gates here. So it looks like this. On top of the end here, we're going to put an upside down oak stair facing this way here, and one on this side right here. Then we're going to come behind it and up on this second layer on the stair here, we're going to put a line of yellow terracotta coming back 9 blocks long. Same thing on this side, 9 yellow terracotta. Then an upside down oak stair on either end up here. Then we'll come under here and an upside down stair here. Come down to this end and an upside down stair there, filling in between them with yellow terracotta here. So it looks like that. And we repeat the process on this side. So an upside down oak stair here, turn around, upside down oak stair here, filling in between them with yellow terracotta. Then we'll come back up on the second layer here, and we'll fill it all in on this middle 3 with polished blackstone block. And we'll stop when we get right here. So now we should have something that looks like this. And then we're going to come behind here on the next block down, and we'll do a set of netherite wheels with an end rod axle. Then we'll do 5 deep slate tile stairs coming across facing this way. Then 5 deep slate tile slabs. Turn around and 5 deep slate tile stairs going this way. Behind that, another set of netherite wheels and an end rod axle. Then put a hopper on the side of all 4 wheels. Then we need to get a dark oak fence gate opened into this wheel, opened into each of these wheels, and opened into this wheel down here. Then we'll come in and get polished blackstone block again. And we'll do 3 wide with polished blackstone down the length of this truck till it's above these fence gates. Then in the middle of the truck here, we're going to put 3 dark oak trapdoors on either side like this. And we actually need to do the same thing up here. So 3 trapdoors right here. And then 3 on this side. Then we'll come back down to this end. And on the end here, we'll put an upside down oak stair here and here. Then put 2 yellow terracotta on either side of the top up here. Now come up under the end here, and we need 5 upside down oak stairs facing this way, coming across. Then in front of it, we'll put 5 yellow terracotta on bottom with a stone button on either side. Up here, red concrete, sticky piston, red concrete, sticky piston, red concrete. Close the trapdoor on each sticky piston. Put a sideways dark oak fence gate in the middle. Then we need a lever here. Come behind this, put a lever here and open it. And actually I just realized that made the fence gate open. So we need to take that off and put it back on so it's sideways. And we need to do that down here. Just take off that fence gate and put it so it's going sideways there. Now we need to take out oak stairs on this front edge, and we need them upside down, facing forward, and come all the way across. And then we're just going to wrap around the corner, and we're going to go all the way around the outer edge up here, wrapping around the corners when we get to the back. Once that's done, we'll come up front with smooth quartz block. And we're going to do 2 layers of 5 coming across. Then an outward facing smooth quartz stair on either side of the top and 3 blocks in the middle for his face. Then we'll come down in the corner behind this, and we're going to put a single birch plank. Then skip 2 and 2 birch planks. Skip 2 and 2 birch, and keep alternating that with 2 blocks of space and 2 birch planks. Just like that. Right here we'll put 2 rows of 5 yellow terracotta, then 3 on the top middle, and then an outward facing oak stair on either side of this. Come over here and copy your pattern of birch planks directly across from the other side. Then we'll come through and we'll fill all the gaps between them with yellow terracotta. Do that on this side as well. Then up here we'll do 2 yellow terracotta, and we'll start alternating 2 blocks of space with 2 yellow terracotta like this, and 1 here. Then copy this pattern of yellow terracotta across to this side. And then we'll go through both sides and fill in the gaps between these with birch planks. Just like this. Then up here we'll put an oak stair on either side, 3 yellow terracotta in the middle. Do the same thing down here, 3 yellow terracotta in the middle, and an oak stair on either side. Then behind this, we're going to put 5 yellow terracotta coming across right here. Then up here, 2 black stained glass, yellow terracotta, 2 stained glass. Repeat it at this end, so 5 yellow terracotta here, 1 in the middle, and 2 black stained glass on either side of the top here. Then behind this, 2 yellow terracotta on either side. Then come back by 2 on each side, and then behind that, another column of 2. So it's like a 4-block long U shape. And we'll repeat it at this end. So do that same pattern of yellow terracotta on both sides down here. Now we'll put 2 black stained glass panes on either of these side gaps, and same thing down here. Then Then we're gonna fill in between here, 3 wide, with black concrete to the back of this section. And we'll come one more past it. Do the same thing here, fill this 3 wide with black concrete in here, and come 1 block past it. Then we'll take out an oak door, put 1 here, and 1 here, then 1 here, and 1 here. Then we'll go back to yellow terracotta, 2 here, 2 here, then 2 here, and 2 here. Then he has these vents on the side, and for that, we'll be using deep slate tile walls. So we're gonna put 1 here and 1 here, then a yellow terracotta on each side, and then fill in between them with deep slate tile walls. Then copy that pattern directly across to this side, and then fill in above this with a single row of yellow terracotta on either side of the top here. Now take deep slate tile stairs and put 1 everywhere there's a deep slate tile wall down below it. So it's that same pattern. Do the same thing on this side. Then take oak stairs here and here, then here and here. Then bring a row of oak stairs facing outward until it's up above the window. Same thing on this side. And then we'll get this end, oak stairs down until it's above the window. And same thing over here. Then we'll take yellow terracotta and we'll go 3 wide right here. And we'll fill in this whole roof 3 wide with yellow terracotta and bring that down to the opposite end. And then right till you're above these windows. Now take iron bars and put a column of 3 on either side of the door, and same thing down here. And then we'll do the other side. A column 3 on either side of this door, and on either side of this door. Then we're going to come down to this rear end that doesn't have the face, and in the middle we'll close 2 rows of 3 oak trapdoors, just like that. Then above this cab, we're going to put 2 back-to-back oak fence gates opened right here. And then still on this end, right here, with the back aligned to the door, knock out these, put in cobbled deep slate, and oak trapdoors on top of them. Then we'll come to this end, knock out these 2 and these 2, put in cobbled deep slate, and oak trapdoors on the top of them here. Then we'll skip back, leaving a gap of 2 and an oak trapdoor on either side there and there. Now we'll do his big clarb. So we're going to come out this side that doesn't have the face. Right here we're going to put a polished andesite stair on either side. Then we're going to knock out a plus shape right here and put in polished andesite slabs. In front of each stair we need grindstones on each side, but going this way. Then a polished andesite slab in front of each grindstone. Then on the upper hitbox between here, a spruce slab, and another spruce slab on top. Then we're going to come forward by 3 here, and another slab on top. Then we'll come forward by 5, and another slab on top. Close a jungle trap door here and here, and here, and here. Then up here we're going to put 3 lightning rods, and then a dark oak fence gate. Here a dark oak fence gate and a lightning rod. Come down behind here, and on this bottom middle we'll put a single spruce slab, just like that. Then up here we're going to put 3 more spruce slabs. Then we'll do the actual claw. We're going to come over here and get 2 temporary blocks and put 3 upside down backward facing spruce stairs there. Take out the temporary blocks. So it looks like that. Then up here, 3 right side upstairs. Then we'll go back to slabs and put 3 on this bottom and 3 temporary ones on this top. Up here, 3 more right side upstairs, then take out the slabs underneath them. Then in front of this on the top here, we need to get spruce stairs upside down, facing backwards, and 3 of them coming across like this. So it's looking like that. And then on bottom, we need 3 stairs right side up, facing backwards, coming across. So it looks like that. Then up in here, we need to get 3 wither skeleton skulls. So it looks like that now. Then we're gonna come underneath here and 3 spruce slabs down here. And then up here, a dark oak fence gate and 2 lightning rods. Now we're gonna come into a loom with a black banner and white dye, put a horizontal on top and bottom, then a white border. Then go to black dye and put these triangles on the top. Then a new black banner, white dye again, horizontal on top and bottom. Then a white banner in light gray dye, put a circle in the middle. This will be for the face, so we're going to put 3 of these ones across here. Then on the middle, this one with the circle, then the other one's over here for the eyes. Trying something new for the face this time here. So that's what his face looks like. Or you can just leave it off and leave it all white there. So there we have it, folks. We've completed Diesel 10 from Thomas and Friends. I hope everyone enjoyed this build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there.